Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a haul of an item that I've been wanting for so long, and I finally brought myself to purchase it. So I've been wanting to do vlogs for forever, and of course, if you guys didn't know, I've been filming my vlogs on my iPhone 11. But yes, the quality is good. I did set it to 4K, but I noticed that a lot of the times the 4K setting doesn't go into effect unless if you're using the back camera. And I like using the front camera so I can kind of like see myself and see my background and whatnot. And also it's kind of weird because I have to focus and look like to my left so it looks like I'm staring at you guys while I'm talking. Because if I just look at myself, you can see I'm looking away. So I just look this way, that way I'm having a conversation with you guys. But I'm super excited because I've been wanting this camera for forever, and I've been seeing and hearing so many vloggers talk about this camera, and I'm like, you know what, I'm going to finally purchase it for myself. And also, I'm one of those people, I make spontaneous purchases, big spontaneous purchases. And I was talking to my best friend about this. Like, I was just like, you know what? You need to make this purchase. You've been telling yourself you wanted it for months. If you don't make this purchase, you're not going to ever get it. So finally, it came into effect. I was actually going to get the second version of this, but I ended up getting the newest version because for the amount of money I paid, I wanted it right then and there. I didn't want to have to ship it, nothing. Didn't want to have to worry that, oh, maybe it's going to get lost in transit. I just wanted to be able to go pick it up from the store. So this is what I got. I got a new Canon camera, and it's 4K, and I'm trying to like figure out how to show you guys. So this is like the creator. Let's see, sorry. Okay. So this is like the creator bundle. As you can see, it comes with like a tripod. It comes with the camera, battery, and SD card. So yeah, I'm super excited about it. And let me show you. I'm about to open it up for the first time. I'm excited. So basically it's the Canon G7X, but it's the Mark III. And everyone's been saying, a lot of the vloggers, that they use G7X, and the quality is pretty good. So I can't wait to pretty much tell the difference. We're going to see the difference in this video, so you guys kind of see how this is. See, because of course the iPhone 11 is one of the most recent phones that just came out, and I got it for the camera. And I have the iPhone 11 Pro, I think, whichever one has the 3 cameras in the back. So we shall see. Let me start opening it up. So I ripped the tape off, and as you can see, you see this man, he looks happy. I'm trying to look this happy with this camera. So as you can see, it says that it comes with the it's a PowerShot G7X Mark III camera. It comes with the Canon tripod. I already have a tripod that I would use for my phone, which can accommodate the camera, but I just ended up getting this bundle. A memory card and extra battery, which is perfect. So this is what it ultimately looks like. I feel like I'm gonna be him. Once I have this camera, I'm gonna be cooking the meals like this with the spinach in the hand, the shrimp in the back, everything. All right. So this is what it comes like. It says unbox your creative side and get started. Okay, let us unbox it. So as you can see right here, this is the extra battery pack that it comes with. And then the SD card, the memory card, 32 gigabytes, which isn't bad to start with. The tripod is here, so I'm just gonna open that up. And as you can see, you guys are probably like, she clearly opened this up before. I haven't actually like used it. I haven't charged the battery or nothing, so I'm excited. Let's see. Oh, this is kind of hard. How do these people do these like hauls, trying to pull things out of boxes with one hand? But see, it says the Canon HG100 TBR. Let's just try to get this out. Okay, let me just put that down. So as you can see, it comes with this. I also got it from Best Buy. That's why that bag is right there. But I got it from Best Buy because, like I said earlier, I wanted something that if I'm gonna spend this amount, I wanted to be able to pick it up right away. So we'll talk about the price and all that jazz after I try it, just to see if it's worth the price or if I got bamboozled. But I'm guessing this is something to adjust it with. Comes with all these parts that I'm gonna have to kind of like put together. This is ultimately the tripod, and the tripod is kind of like a remote, so that you can press like play. Oh, this is one of the straps, but it's a remote, so you can press play. You can to record. You can take your pictures with this, like, you know what I mean. And it's kind of like a three leg tripod, and which is kind of perfect. That way you don't have to always have to go back and click on the camera to start. So this is the box that it comes in. Like I said, the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III. So we will open this up right now. Let me see. Okay. All right. And you guys, I am so excited. Like, I'm so excited. I got warranty on it because I was like, listen, for certain purchases, I'm like, if it's a certain amount, I always get the warranty on it. I think I paid like maybe $150 for the warranty, but it'll be well worth it. It's a 3-year warranty. So those are the instruction manuals over there and things like that. This is the charger for the battery, which of course I'll have to charge it first. I think right here is the safety rules and whatnot. And then let's see, the moment of truth. I am so excited. Look how beautiful it looks. It looks so beautiful. Okay. And I told myself, girl, if you make this purchase for the amount of money you just paid for this, you better vlog everywhere. I want to see myself vlogging everywhere, okay? But this is what it looks like. It's very compact, and it has the screen in the back. But what I really like about it is that you can actually prop up the screen. So usually, you know, you're looking like this, but while you're vlogging, you can actually lift this up so that while you're vlogging, if you have it on the tripod, you can actually look at yourself, you know what I mean? Which is the exciting part about this. So there's a lot of different things I have to look into, like the different settings and stuff like that. But this is the overall camera. You can kind of get the gist of how big it is by my palm. I don't really have large hands. I kind of have really small hands. So that is that. That's my boyfriend's feet in the background. And I like a little strap so that you can put it on the camera. So I've already purchased accessories for it. I purchased a car mount for the camera because I noticed that I'm somebody that I love vlogging. I love just talking in general in the car, and I know that a lot of my vlogs may be like taking place in the car and things like that. So I got a car mount for myself for the camera. I also had to get another like car mount for my phone because I had one, and the sad part is it didn't even work for when I was trying to move back up here. So I literally drove like 18 hours to Jersey and then another like 3.5 to Massachusetts with my phone like on the side piece, on the side console. So I didn't even have my GPS up there. Luckily, all you have to do is take 95 north all the way up and you're pretty much fine. But yeah, so I'm super excited. So say goodbye for now to the iPhone 11 videos and say hello to my new Canon videos. We are here for the quality. We are here for the advancements. We're here for the upgrade. Like, I hope I really didn't play myself. I hope the quality is a lot better. Let's pray. But we will continue the rest of this video on the camera. You guys, I'm still getting used to the settings. So I just realized I wasn't even in the vlogging setting, but this still looks good too. So I finally figured out how to pair the remote with the camera. So now I'm able to zoom in. I hope to God I don't have all these crazy things. Like zoom in like this. Okay, this thing zooms in pretty slowly, but zoom in like this. Okay, my lashes are still hanging on by a thread, but and then kind of like zoom out. Does it zoom in and out any quicker? But yeah, oh my God, there you go. I'm excited for this. Okay, I'm over here excited for my camera, and you guys want to see what my boyfriend's doing? He is playing Call of Duty. Yes. So, this quality is bomb. I'm sorry, this quality is bomb. I look bomb, okay? Even skin tone, hair looking right, focused. I look good. I am so excited. I have completely set up the camera. I set up the tripod. What do you guys think about the quality? I set up the tripod so I can literally zoom in, zoom out, and things like that. Okay, I still need to pair that because clearly it didn't work right now. But I need to figure out how to zoom in and zoom out with the tripod. But I guess I could also do this. But yes, you guys, we are ready. We are up in action. I do think the quality is worth the money. I've already tried to take pictures with it and the pictures came out amazing. So I can't wait to see how this video is going to come out once I post this and put this all together. The tripod is lightweight, the camera is lightweight. I like the fact that I can flip up the screen so I can actually stare at you guys and see how I look in terms of recording while everything is going on. I gotta give you guys the angles. Bam, bam, everything is going good. So we are moving on up during this vlogging journey, and we now have great quality. So we'll see how everything goes in terms of editing and things like that. I'll be obviously providing more information about the camera once I use it more and get used to it more. I still have to kind of pair it with the video settings so that I can zoom in and out through the tripod. But as of right now, things are looking great. Things are going great. So I will see you guys next time, and make sure to subscribe. Make sure also to leave a comment as well. Put a thumbs up in the video if you like the video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.